How you feel about the WAP video I just showed you? What was the most interesting part that you
women?
The women.
Follow on TikTok, come to the gram. 100 emoji, I keep it a grand. Like it's a scrappy a maniac fan. YouTube money is part of my plan. Love my supporters, love all of my fans. If you hating on me, stay off my page. Stay off my page. Delete. You hating on me, stay off my page.
What's up, YouTube? All my maniacs. We are about to get my grandfather's real reaction to the WAP wet and wings and pizza. We gonna get his reaction. Stay tuned. It's only gonna get more lit.
Me as cool Zizzy when I ride the I'ma spell my name.
Yeah, you dealing with some wet and gushy. Bring a bucket and a mop. Put this wet and gushy. Give me everything you got. Put this wet and gushy.
How you feel about the WAP video I just showed you?
It was okay.
What was the most interesting part that you
Women?
The women. So you say, did you hear the lyrics?
No.
You just saw what they was doing. What you think, it was creative?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
They made it all right, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So thanks, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to get into this Harold's chicken though. Like, comment, share.
We maniacs over here breaking the rules. We breaking the rules, breaking the rules.